I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Huobi app. First, download the Huobi app from your preferred app store. Once installed, open it and complete the simple registration using your email or phone number. Don't forget to verify your identity. This step is crucial for unlocking all trading features and increasing your transaction limits, ensuring a smooth and secure experience from the start. Once registered, funding your Huobi account is straightforward. You can deposit cryptocurrency directly from an external wallet, making sure to select the correct network to prevent any loss. Alternatively, use fiat currency options such as a bank transfer or a credit card to add funds. Huobi supports various methods, offering flexibility to suit your preferences for quick and easy deposits. Now for the exciting part, trading. Head to the trade section to explore both spot and futures markets. You can place market orders for immediate execution or set limit orders to buy or sell at your desired price. Always keep an eye on your open orders and portfolio performance to make informed decisions and manage your investments effectively on the platform. Beyond basic trading, the Huobi app offers advanced features like staking, lending, and margin trading for experienced users. If you ever need help, customer support is readily available directly through the app, ensuring you always have assistance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your daily life. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.